Good evening and welcome to the gala. My name is Peter Light. I am a researcher and currently I am director of the Alberta Diabetes Institute. We have a close relationship with the Alberta Diabetes Foundation as they fund some of the key people, resources and projects that are now ongoing at the Alberta Diabetes Institute. The mission of the Alberta Diabetes Institute is to improve the lives of people living with diabetes through novel preventative strategies, therapeutic interventions and ultimately leading to a cure for this disease. Our unique relationship with the Alberta Diabetes Foundation provides our research community with the tools necessary to give us the Alberta advantage in performing our research. We are laser focused towards the treatment, prevention, ultimately cure of diabetes. I urge you, if you would like further information, to come to our table for the Alberta Diabetes Institute and talk to some of the researchers and see some more of our literature if you'd like to ask some more questions. On behalf of all the researchers, trainees and staff at the Alberta Diabetes Institute, we thank you for attending the Alberta Diabetes Foundation's Gala. I hope you have a great evening. Thank you very much.
Funding through events such as this evening are incredibly important. They're crucial, in fact, to allow us to do research, to do cutting-edge research that will have an impact on patients' lives. The kind of work that's being done at the Alberta Diabetes Institute in partnership with the Alberta Transplant Institute and through resources provided with the support of the Alberta Diabetes Foundation allow us to do the kind of research that holds great promise for the treatment of patients with diabetes. A particular project that we work on in my lab is looking at a new way to prevent rejection of islet transplants, and these are through naturally occurring cells called regulatory T cells, or Tregs. And what we're working on is a new source of Tregs we hope to be able to use to suppress rejection of islet transplants. And the pilot data are very exciting, and we look at this as a very promising way forward. And again, this kind of research could just not be done without the support of the Diabetes Foundation and the Diabetes Institute.
Physical activity is considered a cornerstone of the management of diabetes. But the treatments of diabetes are continually evolving. And one of the things that we're very interested in is optimizing how to use physical activity within this evolving context. Donor support plays a key role in providing the infrastructure, favoring innovative collaborations and attracting very talented people to our research group, and we are truly appreciative.
So we know that diabetes can impact body composition, and body composition refers to the different amounts of fat and muscle in our body. But here at the Clinical Research Unit, we have the best available techniques worldwide that can be used to investigate body composition so that we can have or develop appropriate interventions to treat sarcopenia in people with diabetes, for example. We also have an amazing set of techniques and facilities that can be used to investigate exactly what is the best diet or the best nutritional approach that we can use to treat this condition. So thank you for your generous support, and I am sure you're going to be hearing a lot about the exciting research that we're doing here to improve the health and quality of life of people with diabetes.
I was recruited to the Alberta Diabetes Institute in 2015 with the support of the Alberta Diabetes Foundation. In my lab, we study the mechanisms that trigger insulin release appropriately in response to a meal, and we've identified mutations that arise in certain children that cause them to become diabetic within the first couple of weeks of their life. This research has also led to the treatment of those children with commonly used anti-diabetic drugs. Thank you very much to the Alberta Diabetes Foundation for their support. Research in my lab over the past couple of years would not have been possible without the support of the Alberta Diabetes Foundation and the ADI.
I work in the Alberta Diabetes Institute islet core facility. In this facility, we isolate human islets from donated pancreas. And those islets are isolated, distributed, and biobanked for many different reasons. But the one thing that we do primarily is to distribute those islets to approximately 30 centers currently and growing. We've isolated about 46 million human islets in the last 5 years from 180 donors. And those organs then are used for the vital work that we do here, so that we can use those tissues for different research within our own facility, but also outside to all those centers that are all across North America and Europe as well. I'd like to thank the donors, the family donors, all the supporters that have supported the ADF for funding for this project. And thank you for coming, and hope you've had a great evening.